Yeah, we're back. Good morning. Sorry, I was just eating. I think I made the right decision to start the stream a little bit later. But let's look at what happened. Look at all these levels we were outlining during the London session. Went down to sell side, took it out, then back to midnight, took out the 3 a.m. candle high, up to the order block high on the 15-minute, which is Asia high, and now coming back down, repricing the whole area. Now this is crazy. Marcos, congratulations. Boo. I hope you made some good profits there. I know you were talking about the 33, so it was taken out. Well, not that fast, but eventually the 33 level was taken out. So I suppose that you were looking for some longs. Yeah, it's a nice job. Question is it going to go higher? I think it could go for that relative equal highs. Powell is still speaking, I think. So could be going higher. I think he's still talking. Yeah, this is pretty much a bullish market currently. I would not be surprised if this one would go way more higher. I would not be surprised. I also made not too much, like $90 profit on my fundeds. Tried to scalp at these lower levels, but it was okay. Profit is profit, right? Let's see. I would say we could still go higher to the 74s. I'm just not sure if it's going to happen now or maybe later. I mean, it's not far. We still have the bullish momentum to take out previous day high. If I go to the 15-minute, we have relative equal highs to the left. I'm a little bit scared to jump into anything at this level, so I'm definitely going to wait as usually. And gonna wait for my setup. I would say you guys should do the same. Look at that. Still going higher. Still going higher. $55. It's getting closer to that. 74. Let me zoom in on the 1 minute. It's getting closer. Yeah, it's going. I'm not jumping in. It's too risky for me. How long is Powell gonna speak? I have to look into that. I have to look into that. I'm looking for a link. Oh yeah, look at that. On the way. On the way to that 74. And there you go. Ooh, wow. To the 80s. It spiked up. Boom. Exactly. Exactly. So everything has been taken out. Hey, Tiny. There's going to be a giveaway on Thursday or Friday from MyFundedFutures. So on live stream. Stay tuned. I'm still waiting for the go ahead from MyFundedFutures. But we're doing it. Thursday or Friday. It all depends on MyFundedFutures. I know the market is closed. That's why I don't know which day. But three accounts are going to be given away. You're out. Nice. Well, hopefully a lot of people made money today. This was a clean move. At least as far as it can go. Went down to the 50%. Boom, higher. Almost a picture perfect scenario here. It's still too risky for me to enter while Powell is talking. Gold went up. I think gold still wants to go higher. Take out that. I mean, let me put a line here. Okay. Yeah, there she goes. We're gonna do it in New York, and it's gonna be MyFundedFutures giveaway. So, and they are going to issue the account. So make sure you have a registration with MyFundedFutures, and the winner is going to get the account activated by MyFundedFutures. But we're gonna have 3 giveaways. It's gonna be awesome. And after that, there's gonna be more giveaway from my end, which is gonna be a cash prize giveaway. You can buy any kind of funded account in that price range. It's gonna be about $50 or $60. We'll see. Okay, what is going on? It's still going up. NQ is still going up. It's unstoppable. Look at that. Up to the 100. I have to zoom out to here. I wonder where could it go. Checking the 1 hour. It can go way higher. I was reading that Powell was very positive so far. Oh, nothing extra. We're just gonna do the live pick here on chat. The only thing is that you need a MyFundedFutures registration. That's all. If, for example, you're in a restricted country, unfortunately, then it will be a difficulty. But otherwise, nothing else, nothing special. We're gonna do a pick from the chat with Streamlabs, and that's it. That's how simple. Just have a registration with MyFundedFutures if you haven't already. You're going to register through my link, and that's all. All right. NQ going higher, maybe. NQ going higher. Oh, it's gonna be around the same spot. I think I'm also checking gold. What can it do? It repriced this level. It didn't go for the high, which is interesting. Could still go, in my opinion, but I think it wants to go. Gold wants to go. NQ is up there. Yeah, Romania on TOPSTEP is restricted. That's so bad, man. I mean, I wish I could do something about it, man. It's really bad. What percentage is tax from salary or income in USA? I have no idea. I wish I could tell you. It depends on your country, you know, because I think most of the countries have salary from abroad, which is, I mean something like this in the textbooks in every country, like salary from abroad, like it's different in every country. Here in my country, it has, I think, 35% as a personal, as a private person, or physic person, or how do they say, as a private person. If you have a small company formation, it could be cheaper and more things are deductible, but around 35% in my country, so that is huge. 35 or 36%. But in your country, I don't know. Hey Dominic, what's going on? Oh, look at gold. Gold took this level out, now going for previous day high. Gold is unstoppable here. I had no entry here on gold, but still interesting. I'm not jumping in gold, not chasing it, but interesting how NQ took out this level, and it might want to go down, maybe, who knows. We have the market open there. I'm gonna be watching NQ, you know. If it wants to go lower or not. It's in that area. Let's look at NQ. I'm not in any trade, but looking at this fair value gap, could that be a possible opportunity to go short? And if it is, where could be the final target? Can it go all the way down to retest the 20K or not? There's nothing is stopping us from going all-time highs. Yeah, NQ is super bullish as usual. I'm not even surprised on that. Major sales coming. Let's see what's happening. If you know, we still have some targets out there. I don't know if Powell is still speaking or not. I'm just saying, be careful. I have to check on if Powell is still. We have news at Joel's job opening. We'll see what that brings us in about 6 minutes. So everybody be very careful about that, all right? Still in this range. Feels like it can go higher, you know, to squeeze out the shorts. I feel like it could, but I thought that we're gonna have a steeper drop after taking out those levels, but still not having that. But you know, we are before the news. Everybody's waiting for that number, so just be careful, all right, guys? Time. All right, Marcus, but you know, I'm always watching time, but you know, what time should we be aware of? So that's why it did not go to the target. There was a manual intervention from the news driver. Yeah, could be. As I said, I don't know if Powell is still talking. J-Ho. Oh yeah. You were right. You were right, absolutely. ES wants 55.40. I can agree with that. I was watching the 55.40 level earlier. Look at these equal highs up there. Look at that. I'm gonna highlight this. I could imagine that this one wants to go higher. And as Dominic said to me on Discord, ES is the and also ICD. ES is definitely the algo driver. And I think we could be getting some good entries, but have to wait for the news, guys. Whatever happens, have to wait for the news. Hey, Komodo, does BULENOX force you to pay tax? No. You have to do your own tax. They don't force you to pay tax. You have to do it in your own country. It's your responsibility for your own government or tax office, whatever. If they found out, for example, you don't pay tax, you know, be careful. There could be some penalties in every government, I think. So careful about not paying taxes. That's why I did a company formation as well, because I want to pay tax. I'm paying tax already. So through a small company, it's better. I can deduct quite a few things. I'm gonna be looking on ES2. Let me check something. Okay. So YM is 7 points to stop loss. Oh, be careful. Gerald, hey there. If you want to go high life and want to have a nice life without government, you better pay government to leave you alone. Oh, I can vouch for that. I tried to do some, well, not now, back in the days, years ago, to avoid some tax. It didn't go well because they see you. They can go back to 15 years in your accounts, even accounts that was closed or whatever. They can search you. They can search everything under your name in the past, even if it was 15 years ago, whatever. So they can do anything. They see everything. Absolutely. I agree, Dominic. They see everything. They see all the online banks, so don't get mistaken, or banks abroad. Everything that connects to your name and tax identification number, which banks require, they are going to see everything if they want. They know you send news to your... Oh, they see that too, definitely. Absolutely. They also see that. All right, I was looking at some gold. ES is still there. NQ is there. News is coming out in 10 seconds. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I'm looking at gold. Gold went down. ES down a bit. That's actually good. ES going down is actually not a bad thing. All right, let's see. Is ES going to take out those highs? And what does NQ wants to do here? I'm risking small. New YOLO for me is an addiction. Try, get rid of that. Get rid of that YOLO thing. It's bad. It's building up bad habits. Just get rid of it. It's not a good thing. I know everybody likes to YOLO, but it builds up bad habits. So even if you want to do something with news, just go with the smallest, or go with the demo account, and you'll see that it's dangerous to do. Now let me delete this. So I'm watching ES. Let's see. There's your stop loss. They haunt your dreams. They squeeze the lemon. Oh yeah. Why go against the trend? I'm not doing anything. I'm just watching these relative equal highs up there with ES, which is above 39.25. That's what I'm waiting. But I have no entry. That's the only thing for now. And if you look at NQ, we also stopped on this level. What do you guys think? I know Jeho said we're going for above 55.40 on ES. What do you guys think? Are we going for that level? Above 55.40, 55.39-ish? Or we expecting a deeper drop or whatever? Let me know. Let me know. Now I'm able to hold for 1-1 next month. That's good. Actually, that's a good progress, Komodo. That's how you go forward. Just hold it. Hold your winners. I know a bad habit, even for me, it was like holding the losses for too long. But you have to hold the winners too. If you have your entry model playing out, then hold on to it. If you have an analysis on your hand, you know, just go with it. Guys, the sun is just starting to shine into my window, through my window, so I have to get the remote to pull down my shader here. Look at ES. It wants to go higher. It wants that level. By the way, also a good idea for you guys, if Nasdaq is too fast, I know it could be very emotional because it moves very fast, but if you want to take it slow and nice and easy, go with ES and go with the 5-minute chart. That is definitely leaving you enough time to think about your trade, your levels. ES is cleaner, precise, and it definitely gives you less stress than Nasdaq, because the way candles are printing up and down, especially on the low time frames, I know it's playing with the mind, but ES is, you know, just go with ES in that case. So just go with it. ES is holding. And Q is drum card, yeah. ES is the king. So, all right. Yeah. And now it's going down. It's going down. Crypto Panda, how you doing? Well, it looks like it's still not going for that high. Actually, it's going lower. What is happening? Look at that NQ going down. Could it be because of the news or something? Could be, I guess. Be careful, everyone. Still waiting. And this thing will move. Yeah. It was SMT. Let me check. I mean, ES is definitely acting weird, but on the 5-minute it still looks bullish. Let's see how it goes. It's still holding that area, and NQ is also holding that area. And I'm just texting to someone, so sorry about that, guys. ES still wants to go for that high, I'm sure about that. I'm sorry, guys. I kind of messed up something, not in trading, but on my computer. I'm not in a trade though. I want to do something, but the only thing I'm watching right now is ES. NQ is not doing anything. Kind of sucks. All right. Let's focus. We have to wake. Wake. Come on. Wait. Let me check Discord. Just a sec. All right. Let's see. There was an SMT. All right. Yeah. ES is still there and waiting. Look at that. ES is holding that level. Gold. Oh, look at gold. Haven't even checked on it. Nice drop there. Nice drop on gold. Let me go and watch this. Oh yeah, it's going down. There's a small void further down. Also ES. Wow, it's going. Gotta be careful. I think it's because of it's still Powell. I think he's still doing this misery. Could be because of him. All right. Gold is still there. ES might try to go once more for those highs. You longed oil after it hit a 1 hour order block. Oh, well, if it's super bullish, then you should be looking for those bullish order blocks. That's for sure. ES is edging higher. Let's see what happens. Guys, all we can do is wait. I mean, look at the 5-minute chart. Absolutely barcoded out. There's nothing to go for. The main driver here could be ES because of that relative equal highs to the left. It was from yesterday, I think. Yeah, from Monday. So that could be the only solution to go for ES. Otherwise, well, not much. Day in the midnight open right there. I forgot to put the stuff up here. Okay, so yesterday's high is actually up there, previous day high. And previous day low was taken by ES, so that's a good job. Previous day low is taken. Let's see if it wants to go for these relative equal lows. Highs, come on man, I can't speak. And all right. So this is what I'm looking for on ES, but no entry on the 5-minute chart. NQ could be also pointing higher. Next level would be at the 130s. And that is all. Quick look at gold. Gold took every level, both on the downside, delivered to upside there, and that's it. That is it. Okay, it's still going higher. We have to wait for the time being. It's bullish. And for Nasdaq, let's look to the left. What do we see? $130. That would be the next buy side at 130. So 50 points away. You know, that is what it is. $140, $21.40. True. I was just pointing out the low-hanging fruit of these highs, but fair value gap is, yeah, it's there. That's true. I give you that. But still, no entry. And let me look at gold again. Shifted lower. That's interesting. That's definitely interesting. Look at that, ES going higher. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Let's just wait together. This is the waiting game. Back to Nasdaq. I have to pull down the shaders because it's getting real sunny here. And the windows are just heating up the room. I'll be right back. It's really hot. Don't go anywhere. Please push the like button, subscribe. And let's wait for the entry. Give me a minute or two. All right, back here. What happened? Anything special? Anything fancy? Are we still going for those relative equal highs? On ES? Seems like it. The silver bullet hour is almost ending. Oh yeah, look at Nasdaq. Now it's going. Nasdaq is going. Wow. Up to the 140s, maybe. You hate it because you don't understand it. Marcos, I need your expertise. What do you think? Confirmation on the upside on the 5 minutes? Yeah, it looks like it wants to go higher. Are we going for the 140s here? It seems like at least to the 30s. Careful. 140 confirmed, all right. All right. Too aggressive for you. Oh, look at that. ES going lower. Yeah, that's what it does, Voida. That's what it does. Goes up and down and then that's it. But still, there could be some good moves. Some good moves. At this point, there's really not much we can do. The thing is that I think we don't have any other news, right? Copy trading, okay. Apex is keep losing connection. Let's see the numbers. Job openings. Okay. Inside this 5-minute fair value gap, I have no trades, guys. Nothing on. I did not put anything on. I have nothing currently. Perfect day. Oh yeah, it is. It is. It could still be going, but oh, look at that pump. Look at that pump. Could be having a reaction here. This might be a reaction. Or maybe not. Every day is perfect. On the draw, so I have to be. Yeah, I have to be. You better be careful. Watch out for those trailing stop limits. You know. ES still didn't go for that high up there. NQ seems like may want to go lower. I'm still watching gold. Quite interesting. Quite interesting to see these levels. 31, 1. I think we're gonna go there. Apex keeps disconnecting. It's a little bit weird. But that's what it does. There's a small liquidity void at 31.1 on the on gold. Not sure if it wants to reach down for that. I just noticed that. It might, but we don't know. Apex keeps disconnecting and reconnecting. That's a bit annoying. I'm not saying no trade day, but it's definitely an interesting one. I don't even know if Powell finished speaking or not. Is he still saying anything? I hope he finished for today. He should have, because it was more than an hour ago. Anyway, NQ keeps edging higher. ES as well. Gold is holding this area. It could be building up some support. Let's check on yeah, NQ. Feels like NQ wants to make those highs. Apex keep disconnecting. Everything is perfect. Just perfect. Right, gold is building up some support there. Actually going higher. Oh yeah, I see that. I see that, Dominic. Looks good. Like that. Let's see how it plays out. Could be a nice short confirmation or continuation. All right. Let's look at gold. I'm still watching gold. I don't know why. Don't ask me. Apex keeps disconnecting. It disconnected like 5 times already or more. I have nothing. Just saying that Quant Tower keeps reconnecting all the time. Okay, let's see. One 5 RR. That should be the one to go with. Yeah, we have some. We went over 2500. Yeah, visible ID. I'm happy too, and thank you guys for subscribing and keeping up with the channel. You guys are awesome. Everybody's great. Everybody's super awesome. So thank you so much for all the support you guys are giving. Oh, why am I looking gold? Look at this. NQ could be popping up to the 140s maybe. And there she goes. I'm not going long. It's too risky for me to go long here. But it is definitely a nice move. If it goes, it should be going at least, well, above the 30s, maybe. If it goes. It's getting closer to that area. 140. All right, Marcos. 140. 140 it is. Let's see. Again, as much as I'm watching it and try to get a grip on this, the only entry would be on the 1 minute here, but because I'm stuck for the 5 minute, maybe if this would leave a fair value gap. This was actually a nice close above this swing, so we could be hitting that 140, but we'll still have some possible resistance on the way. Can you still kick in after 1 hour? I don't think so, Komodo. I mean, the news kicked in. It has like a 5-10 minutes aftermath. And now the market just, you know, wants to go where it wants to go. It could be because of the news, or if somebody is talking from the Fed or whatever. Powell was talking. Is Powell still talking? Oh, they finished speaking. Okay. So Powell and Lagarde have finished speaking. It was like 20 something minutes ago. So they could be done for the day. Which means we don't know. We have a fair value gap, and on the 1 hour, no, we don't. The 15 minute has a fair value gap still up there at 140. You can go with that. Otherwise, nothing special. Unfortunately, I had no entry to go with this anywhere. And look at this. Look at this ES actually going for the relative equal highs. Don't tell me that this is random. That's why I like this. This is beautiful, actually. This is beautiful. Oh, I see. Dominic, thank you for being here. Take care. Take care, bro. Okay, let's go down to the 1 minute. This is pretty much choppy here. I mean, on the 1 hour, if I look at the 1 hour, let me show you guys. I don't see anything special. The only thing there is the could be a long hanging fruit is the mid-level of this 1 hour long wick bearish pin bar, and at apex keep losing connection, and the mid-level should be somewhere around 210 ish. It's not accurate, but look at that, it's still going, it's still going. Seems like we're gonna go higher. Yeah, I mean, risking 80 bucks is, you can do it in a month. If you look for your entries, you know, apply only your entry model with a risk to reward ratio at least 1-to-1 or higher. Absolutely. Absolutely. So we have a 15-minute gap, a swing high and a gap up there. I wonder if this one wants to get it. Or not. The last boom. Check DMC. What happened to me yesterday? Asia, I was shorting minis with TOPSTEP, hit my daily limit, and then that happened just a second. Crypto Panda, come on. Let's see. What the hell happened to you, Crypto Panda? Jesus Christ. Oh my god, that sucks, man. That sucks. Yeah. I know how that feels. After it goes your way and goes down, man. That's bad. That's bad. Marcos, let me know. Are you still bullish? Are we gonna go for 140, Marcos? I'm wondering what you say now. Let me know. Go. All right. I was tested again about daily limit hit. Crypto Panda, don't worry about it. Listen, it happened to me multiple times. Trust me. I was like so close. It happened with me like at least a few times. I was like $100 away, $200 away, $50 away. Once I was like $7 or something like $7 or $8 away from passing the account. And I keep losing from, so you know, $7 away. entered the trade immediately, and that very second went against me. I went down to negative. I went down to $100, and I thought, all right, no problem. Next trade, boom, and so on and so on. It happens. I remembered that day. It was $7 freaking, and I should have just stopped there. And I lost the account. By the way, I hope I don't have any orders. Jesus Christ, I have an order. It's a good thing I can cancel those orders. I always check for orders if I have anything. And look at that, almost at 30. Yeah, I've been long all morning. Crazy, right? Lost the account in the same day. Yeah. So that happens. Marcos, you are killing it, man. Congratulations there. You are killing it. Let's see. You're welcome. I'm waiting for a strong movement and you're out. Well, I hope you will get it. On the 15-minute, it looks all right. To 130, 143. I hope you get that level. On the other hand, I mean, we still have some levels to go for. I just don't want to do anything stupid up here. Sometimes I'm a little bit tempted to enter long and continue. Look at ES. Finally went to the equal highs up there. What's up with gold? Oh yeah, look at that. Gold is back up there. Gold was actually, how should I say, pretty intense. In the morning, I just made a video for members. If anybody wants to join as a member. Anyway, I just made a video about this movement and how to build bridges, as ICT said, to get from point A to point B. And in this scenario, you know, we had that high from up here at 23.43, and that means here were the opportunities to build some bridges, but the problem was Powell was speaking, and that's why it was totally against my rules. If I put a fib tool here on gold and go with an optimal trade entry, I know it's on the 1 minute. I'm just curious if the target would have been hit. Well, 1.3 R, but we could have had the 2 R as well. So anyway, gold was interesting. Now, it seems like it wants to go higher. 23.41. Is it gonna go there? Who knows? I'm waiting, but I don't know why. Well, you should be waiting. You should be waiting. I do like that level. You guys want me to play this on gold? I don't want to. Looking to go on a long position in gold. Yeah, maybe just for fun. You know. I don't know. What would be this level? 23.41. Let me check it. 23.41.1. That's a good level. And the stop loss, where could we put a stop loss? 36.5. 36.5. Yeah, we can do that. Why not? 36. 5. I don't like this entry. But I do think that if gold really wants to go higher, then, you know, it can still continue to that fair value gap higher. Gold was pretty much bullish all day. This thing maybe wants to leave the people behind. Maybe after lunch, maybe. Yes. I can imagine that could happen. NQ retracing a little bit. Gold also. I don't know if gold wants to stop here. All right. Let's see if we can get this one. I've entered to a gold long position. 37.6 is my entry. Not happy about it. Oh, this is options, sorry. Setting. Visual trading. Trades. This is better. All right. Risk to reward is good. One thing I can do is maybe put it to break even. That's what I could do. And we'll see how it goes. Yeah, he's gonna take me out at break even. That's how nice it was. just as we talked about it. It's gonna take me out. No, I think I'm not surprised if it takes me out, because it could be on the 5 minute, it could be just a optimal trade entry to go short. I'm just curious if gold wants to go higher and maybe go into the gap on the upper side. But it's more than likely gonna take me out at break even. Yeah, I closed the trade. I don't care. I'm not considering this trade as I'm maximum break even. I don't like that trade. I closed it. Small profit, but I'm considering it as a break even. I don't care. I just can't hold it. Not optimal conditions. The whole market is not optimal for me. We're up here both with ES and NQ. It's still super bullish, but if I look to the left, $55.52 could be the next target, or maybe higher. But yeah, I think I did good to close that anyway. I just don't feel that right now. I don't have the feeling that's needed to find some good entries. We're technically out from the kill zone. So this is gold, and I still don't have anything on it. And still nothing on NQ. As much as I'd like it to be. It's just nothing. I think tomorrow we'll be having some more volume and more opportunities to trade. This 2 hours waiting seems like 5 minutes getting drained. Yeah. Yeah. You know, the thing is that if I put the fib tool here, and if it goes down into my optimal trade entry at 89, that's great, but where should we go? I'm not going to go long on this. I mean, look at the 1 hour. I just don't like this. I'm not gonna go long on this one. That's for sure. Even if it goes up, I don't care. And on the 5-minute, we have technically a structure shift. Could be the end of the long wait. Let's see. Could be the end of the long wait. Yeah, don't forget it, guys. Isn't that on Thursday? Oh no. Wednesday. No, that's Thursday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Tomorrow is still full day. Thursday is gonna be half day, right? Today is Tuesday. I don't even know which day it is. But okay, still a shift. Have to wait for the close. Gold above the VWAP. VWAP. So could be going higher, but we have a nice structure shift on the 15-minute though. And it's only like 6 minutes and 27 seconds to wait for the close of this candle. Let's see how this candle is going to close. Oh, look at that pump. Instantly 20 points on Nasdaq. What's happening? Look at that. Look at that going. High of this candle was 130.75. Are we going higher here? It seems like we are. Oh, look at this. Come on, Marcos, come on. For you. I want this to work out for you. What a pump here. What just happened? Marcos, give me an explanation. You know this better. I don't know. Actually, I don't know what the hell just happened here. Oh, it was a nice pump. Are we going higher or what? Take me higher. Seems like, let me check. So NQ seems like it pumped once. Maybe it was just a squeeze. Doesn't seem like it wants to take out some higher highs. ES went through the equal highs there. Does that mean anything? I don't think so. Nothing so far. All right, Void. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, take the rest of the day off and have a good one. Just rest up, you know, recharge the batteries. Tomorrow is going to be a better day. It's always a better day. I don't even know what to do here, man. I'm just watching. Yeah. 15 minutes shifted on gold. No idea what to do with gold here. No clean structure shift. So it did take out both sides. So it took out sell side liquidity as previous day low. Went up there, took out the Asia highs and, you know, almost everything. All that's left is previous day high. So, and as for NQ, I'm not touching it. I decided, let me check if I have any orders. I have nothing. I'm not gonna touch NQ because I have no idea what the hell it's doing right now. I just have no idea. I'm waiting for the boom. The one that never comes. It should be coming. Every time you called out for a boom, it was coming. I know. Anyway, gold shifted this 15-minute structure, repricing this gap. This is not an order block. We are actually inside of a bullish order block on the 15-minute on gold. Also on the 1 hour, so I don't know. Come on, Marcus. It's gonna happen. I know you can do that. I know. So far you were calling out all these levels with a great deal. By the way, guys, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. There's going to be giveaways on Thursday or Friday. 3 funded accounts. Oh, sorry, not funded accounts. 3 evaluation accounts from MyFundedFutures. 50K starters with the new deal. So make sure to have a registration with MyFundedFutures, and they're going to activate it for the winner. We're going to do it on live stream. And that's all. The winner should give his or her email address, and I'm going to send it to MyFundedFutures, and they're going to do it. What's happening? Boom. There you go. There you go. Marcos, for you. This is for you. Everybody, this is for Marcos. He did that by his own. Congratulations, man. Look at this move, finally. Although I'm not in the trade, but Air Trader, yes, it was kind of like a breakout. Yeah, we actually went into the 40. Did we go into the? Yeah, we went into the 40s. So we took the fair value gap, and now absolutely zero idea of where this one can go. No market structure shift here. You're out. Nice. It's not stopping. It's still going. Look at this. There's no stopping at that. I'm still watching gold, but let's take a quick look on ES. ES is also going higher. Let me look the 1 hour. ES 1 hour. Next target could be 55.51. I'm just gonna put a marker right there. 55.51. Is it gonna go there? Could be. It's kind of getting there. That's a 1 hour fair value gap. As for NQ, the mid-level of this hourly bearish pin bar is around 210. But with this move, I think we can easily aim for the 200s. It's high for me. It's just high. I don't really think I want to go for it. Gold is up there. We're approaching the lunch hour. All right. See you tomorrow, Marcos. See you tomorrow. Thanks for being here. Emini. Hey, damn, bro. Do you ever go to sleep? I see you streaming both day and night. Actually, I do sleep, but it's good for me because when I start the stream, it's like 8 a.m. for me. And for the New York stream, I can start at 3 p.m. So I can do actually both sessions. But this is my job here. No, I can do both sessions. And I do take a break in between. But thank you. That's true, actually. That's true. What you say there. I'm always here. I like this. I like this thing. All right, what is happening? Thank you so much, Emini. Make sure to subscribe and come back on Thursday or Friday. We're going to have MyFundedFutures giveaway, 3 starter accounts from the chat. So it's going to be a New York session. I just don't know if on Thursday or Friday. So 3 accounts in the chat are going to be given away. 3 starter accounts. So... Let's see. It's very simple. You just have to be here on chat, and Streamlabs will do the pick. All you have to do on chat is type exclamation mark cash or ruffle, whatever. I don't know. I will set it up. So there's going to be a prompt, a command, exclamation mark cash or something like that will do, and you type it, and Streamlabs is going to do the pick. I'm going to put it on screen, all the entrants, and it's going to do the pick. That's how simple. It's very, very, very simple, super simple. And the winner should be sending me the email his or her email, and I'm going to send it to MyFundedFutures, and they're going to activate the account. So it's simple, yeah. Okay, what is happening here? I'm just checking on gold because on Nasdaq I can't really do anything right now. But look at ES, it's still going higher. And I was just checking this gold. If it's gonna go lower or not. Could be going. I took a short on gold at 36. My TP is down at, let me, 16, 32. Yeah, my TP is at 32.9. Maybe I'm gonna put it to 33. It's on gold futures, so that's why it could be a little bit different. Here it is. Nothing special, just one contract. And I might go into trail it. Let's see how it goes. So we had one break even today, one loss, one break even, and we have this trade right now. I'll consider if I close it at break even or not. I just want to see gold dropping lower. That is all. So let's see. I had nothing on Nasdaq to go with. I had no levels that I liked, and that's it. That is all there is to it. Yeah, we'll see how it plays out. The risk to reward ratio is okay. It's about 1.8 or something. But it can go up as well. This is the 1 minute chart, so the big picture is a little bit different than this, but this is the gold 5 minute chart. I'm looking this one to make a new low, or at least try to test those levels. We'll see. But I had nothing on Nasdaq that I was liking, so that's why I picked gold. That's the only thing I mean, it's too many markets to focus anyways. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I might gonna put it to break even. All right, I've put it to break even, and that's it. If it takes me out, it takes me out. At least we don't lose on it, right? I left a little bit there for a commission, but let's see. Let's see what it does. By the way, if you like the stream, please push the like button and subscribe. We're gonna have giveaways. Also, if you would like to support, please use one of my codes or links. We are having still a good sale going on with BULENOX, 83% down. Apex, $40 for the big accounts, and lifetime activation fees for $85. That's good. Take Profit Trader, no activation fee, 40% off. Go check it out. And what else do we have? TOPSTEP 20% off additionally from the current price if you use my link to register for a new account. Oh, look at that. Almost took out my TP. All right, finally. Now that was good. Dun, 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 dun. That was a good short. So NQ, ES is up there, NQ is up there. I actually made a good profit on the MyFundedFutures account today, $300. On the funded accounts, it wasn't that much profitable. I mean, I did like $60 on one funded account, the other one $90, so around $150 on funded accounts. Which for me is okay because, you know, guys, I'm a turtle trader, going very, very slow. Checking my DM on Discord. Oh, Jesus. I'm sending pictures of my wee wop. Now, okay. I didn't want to say that, you know, I didn't want to say that, but I thought that Trev is going to keep it as a secret. And you agree. All right, man. All right. That's I'm gonna get back to you guys someday. Someday it's gonna be my day. All right. Someday it's gonna be my day. Jesus. Spy Girl, hey. What's going on? One day it's gonna be my day. And I will get back. I will get back to you guys on that one. Look at that. My gold trade was spot on to the tick. That was nice. Anyways. Had some good trades. I think this is it. I noticed, by the way, not that I'm complaining, but we're having so many people during the London session, and in New York session, we have like just a portion of that. I mean, there's two options that's happening. So people really think I'm a perv, or simply they just don't like me. I don't know, or I'm shadow banned on YouTube. And I'm talking to myself. That's great. That's actually awesome. Nothing is going on, guys. It's pretty much done. Guys, I think it's pretty much done. And I'm done. All right. This is it. This is it. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I think I'm gonna call it here. We had a great day. It was interesting. At least made some profits, so that's cool. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back for tomorrow London session. Let's have a good profitable tomorrow. Lots of volatility. Go prepare yourself, and I'll be back in the morning as usually. So have a great day, morning, evening, and support if you can with the links and codes, and take care. See you guys tomorrow in the London session. All right, cheers everybody. Thanks for watching.